Attention, everyone. Man down! I'm coming soon! Oh. This depot is not a playground! Got your message. Thank you. There's really spotty service here. We're stuck due to the storm, but we've set out first thing in the morning. Thank you again from the bottom of our hearts. That was a message from your mom. No hugs. I'm legally bound to take care of you, so that's what I'm gonna do. In turn, you're gonna ditch the attitude and be obedient, so we can do our job, fighting fires.
Why does it have to be fighting the fires? Can't it just be containing it or resolving it?
Oh my gosh, for crying out loud. I can no longer hold my tongue. So what needs to happen right now, like literally this second, is you gotta watch your tone, little sister.
Or what?
Or what? Or what? Hi! Hi! Or what? Or what? ¿Por qué? I'm... Oh, I know what. Oh, Master!
Sit. Good doggy.
What just happened?
I think the baby broke your dog.
Taco Pony.
Her name's Masher.
Taco Pony.
Her name is Masher.
Taco Pony. Oh.